Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to scan QR codes with ASUS VIVOBOOK Pro. Open the browser and type in QR scanner and click enter. Now open the random scanner QR, translate to English, yes. You need to consent here, and you can either upload the photo of the QR code or click scanning QR codes. Let me just adjust the brightness. Now you won't need to allow to use the camera, and in here, let me flip the camera, scan the QR code. Okay, it is in here, and now click the link to open the link of the QR code. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.